The restoration dramatists are very important in UGC NET exam. Again, chronology. So, the restoration dramatists are like George Etheridge, George Farquhar, William Congreve, William Ucherley, Afra Ben, Vanbrugh, John Vanbrugh, and John Gay. So, George Etheridge books, dramas are The Comical Revenge or Love in a Tub, She Would If She Could, The Man of Mood or Foppling Flatter. The one more subtitle is The Foppling Flatter. This question also may come like the Man of Mood subtitle, The Foppling Flatter. Then George Farquhar. So, Love and a Bottle, The Constant Couple, The Inconstant, The Twin Rivals, The Recruiting Officer, and Beogh's Stratagem. And next is very important, that is William Congreve. So, William Congreve has written Incognito, The Old Bachelor, The Double Dealer, Love for Love, The Way of the World, very, very, very important. The summary, character, storyline, plot, everything is important. The Way of the World, and The Morning Bride. Next is William Ucherley, Love in a Wood, The Gentleman Dancing Master, then The Country Wife, The Plain Dealer. And next is Afra Ben. Afra Ben's most important are The Rover, The Orinoco, The Fair Jilt, or The Forced Marriage. But most important that we have to read again the story, plot, characters, that is from The Rover and The Orinoco. And the next is John Vanbrugh. The names that the relapse, The Provoked Wife, The Provoked Husband, The Confederacy. And then John Gay, The Beggars of Era. So that was all about the names of dramas from Restoration period. So till then, see you in the next video.